Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Big Girls Garage. Today we're
taking a look back at the car from the first couple videos of this channel.
oh, respect. It's been a long time coming. The beast is back. The 280ZX. Yeah, a lot has changed. A lot has changed. The paint has not changed. But a lot else has changed.
Check out the interior, it's open, it's unlocked.
Oh, okay. So if you don't know, our first two videos were on this car. And look at the difference. The carpet, the seats.
Doors work.
Oh yeah, the doors work. Yeah, I opened this without a hitch.
Oh yeah, and the engine stuff that we did.
Let's see the bay. Let's see the bay.
So you gotta pull on the little the vent.
You gotta pull on the vent?
Pull it up. There you go. Fucking loud. Nice little engine detail right here.
Look at this.
Way clean compared to before.
Look at the changes. This man's been putting in work.
Still can't drive yet, so.
Still doesn't run.
Alright, reupholstery myself right here.
These things stay up now.
Yeah, no more wood block.
Reupholster job. Respect.
Yeah, new carpets.
Of course. Did you change the exhaust, dude?
Not yet, it's right there.
Alright, list off some specifications.
Actually don't know them.
So this is a Motorsport Auto exhaust. Putting on a 280ZX. A lot of things are real rusted down there, real stinky, so you're gonna take some of this Chungus blaster and I'm just gonna spray it on those components. I already sprayed them. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me, but I already sprayed all the little bolts on there with this PV blaster. They're kind of rusted, so I'll let you take a look. Yes, let us continue. Oops.
They said like they're supposed to be bolted. You can bolt them into the hangers. So there's hangers here. Oh, that's technically supposed to just go like straight in. So like you could just replace the hangers, the ones that they gave you.
I respect a good jack. Where's the bar?
Step one, get yourself a jack. Just keep zooming in my face.
Yeah, that's a good shot. Hey, do you have any property, dude?
No property.
See that big mama? Ooh, she rusty.
Oh, nice.
Two more 10s down here, nice and easy. Alright, thanks for watching, fellas. It's been a pleasure. Got these guys out. Fairly rusted. This guy's just straight orange, dude. What do you have to say about that?
It's pretty nice.
Alright, twist.
I don't even know what I'm doing. I might paint this too.
You're gonna paint what? Quick pause. If you're not already subscribed, then what are you doing with your life? So these guys are 10 millimeters. Back into the cat is a 10, according
So
to.
it's gonna be what attaches to this guy. There's
Yeah.
just actually no. It's gonna be the bottom shield of the catalytic converter. There's 4 screws that
Yeah.
are 10 millimeter
Okay, there you go.
sizing.
The heat shield of the cat has 10 millimeter screws. There's 4.
Yeah.
Let us continue. Got a couple of 17s up here. So here's a quick mock-up of how the exhaust will kind of go into the car. Comes back from the cat right over there, loops out and up, and then you're gonna go, here's gonna go above the This is like a frame unit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then from there you kind of just curve up right down there, and then you got your little muffler.
And your exhaust should be sitting like this. The muffler should be sitting like this.
Yeah, so this top part's gonna sit up kind of in there. And then you got a tip right at the end of it. So let's get started.
He's special.
So we have to take off there's a whole heat shield type thing that surrounds the exhaust all the way back there up here. We've had to take it out in order to fit it above this little rear subframe type thing. So yeah.
And if you want to do this easier, we just forgot to bring a grinder. You just cut through the exhaust if you're not going to need it.
Yeah, if you're going to take off your old rusty exhaust, you might as well just cut through it. So
yeah,
bring a angle grinder or hacksaw or whatever. Okay, onwards. So right here, this hanger, there's a 12 that kind of fits on the end of this. It's a little difficult to get this particular hanger off. That was the easiest solution we found. And yeah, now we'll try and pull out the exhaust. So couldn't get out, so we just snapped the exhaust. Benefits of it being very rusted. Bro, chill. Let us continue. The first piece right here goes right on the catalytic converter. You got your gasket on, make sure you're ready to go, make sure your hat's on.
Yeah, it comes with the gasket, so we put that right in between. Just use the old bolts.
All right, now.
It's 17, right?
17. Get in there, soldier. Here it is, we're straight piping his exhaust. There it is, the straight pipe.
First, like both pipes in at the same time.
Yeah, so you got to put that front pipe and this back pipe, connect them, and then put them both over this rear portion right here, and then attach them to the catalytic converter right there. Make sure you use your gasket, and then from here, we're gonna straighten everything out. We've got this chungus right here, and then we'll route the pipe through, bring it over, out up here, and voila. All right, so we got the whole thing kind of mocked up. Over there to over here. There's this little hanger attachment that fits up here. You're gonna have to attach it to a hanger position up there. And we'll see what it looks like. All right.
Like rubs up against there.
Yeah.
I have like the grinders, like I just go ahead and just...
Yeah, and then just put it in then. But
there.
There she blows.
Overall rating, 6 out of 10.
Okay, keep going.
Fitness right here.
What's the customer service rating on these guys?
They're pretty good. They're pretty nice about everything. They try to help out a lot.
They tried to help out a lot. We'd give you guys a taste of the sound, but the gas tank is out, so we can't. But stay tuned. You'll hear it eventually. All right, thanks for watching. That's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, do whatever you want. I don't really care. Okay, bye.
Subscribe.
Say it again.
For the sake of this guy, subscribe.
You heard him. Subscribe.